to another form Titan video. In this video, we'll talk about customized style for collapsible section. So let's get a collapsible section across to the layout, and we'll talk how to go ahead and amend some of its properties. So let's make this a little bit bigger, and then under style we've got a few options. First of all, if you choose either the expand button or the collapse, you will have an option under alignment where you can choose the floating labels to either go right or go left. So that's one functionality available, and we'll do for the collapse as well. We'll move the label to the right like this, and then we'll do the same for expand as well. Button expand, and we'll move the floating label to the right. Once we've done that, I'll show you what that looks like. If we go into the preview, you can see that my plus and the minus are on the right hand side. So that's where you can amend that. And you can do the same with the label itself as well. I'm sure that's something that's already been in there for a while, so that's nothing new. Next up, I'll show you how to add an icon in here so you can have your own customized icon rather than the ones we give you, so plus and the minus. So I'll get rid of both of these for now. And then I'll go to this website. It's a Bootstrap component website, and don't worry, I'll paste the URL in the YouTube or the article, and you can grab the either of them from there on. And then once you access this page, you can use all sorts of icons in your collapsible section. So I'll tell you what, we'll just copy this, and we'll go back into our form here, and let's have a look at the expand, and then we'll look at the button collapse. Once you've got the button collapse, click on the CSS name and paste your Bootstrap component there. And then if I preview quickly, you can see that there is my going up. And now we'll do the same for going down as well. So we'll go in here and we'll get chevron going down. Back in here, and then we'll do button expand, paste it in the CSS name, and there you go, it's there. You can also amend a couple of its attributes, like if I click it and then I'll click on the button expand, and then I can change its background if you wish. If you want to change the background to green or something, that's completely doable as well. So if I just preview, you can see that there's the background expanded as well. So you have that option available too. And then from there on, you can just, you've got whole sorts of options available that you can choose and change. So a lot of functionality. And then if you want to amend the icon, you can just copy any of these components for Bootstrap, paste it in the CSS name, and you're good to go. And that's pretty much all the functionality that we need to cover for this video. And you can just move the sections either left or right, or you can add your own custom icons as well using the style, choosing the buttons, and then adding it into the CSS name over here. And you can also change the font as well. So if let's just say change the font to white, so it will look like red or yellow. You can see changing over here. These options are available as well, and that's how it's done. That's how you customize style for collapsible section.